Hi, it's Ollie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make sugar syrup from scratch using the perfect simple syrup ratio. Prepping your ingredients before you open the bar is one of the most overlooked but crucial elements in having fast service in front of your guests. As well, the quality of everything homemade will make your drink stand out compared to mixing with store-bought ingredients. One of the most used ingredients in cocktails today is sugar. Not necessarily to make the drink sweeter. Sugar is a classic flavor enhancer and helps to combine all the ingredients. It basically brings everything together. Sugar is added to cocktails in the form of a syrup, and since making it is so simple, clever bartenders gave it an easy to remember name: simple syrup. The simple syrup ratio is 1 part of sugar and 1 part of water. All you need to do is add the sugar to boiling water and stir in the pot until it's dissolved. If you want less liquid, what you can do is prepare what is called a rich simple syrup. This is 2 parts of sugar to 1 part of water. Due to the high Brix value of the liquid, this almost never goes bad and you can safely store this in the fridge for weeks. So let's get cooking, shall we? I'm putting on the stove on high heat. The sound engineer loves the sound of the cooker going on. And inside the pot is already 1 kilo of water, which equals the same to 1 liter of water. And I'm adding 1 pre-measured kilo of sugar. In we go. And then all we need to do while stirring is to wait until the sugar is fully dissolved, and there we have it. Simple syrup. Now, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, feel free to give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and check out all the other videos we uploaded where this simple syrup comes to good use. See you then. Bye.